GM's massive recall, 500,000 vehicles affected. General Motors is issuing a massive recall. Nearly 500,000 vehicles from 2014 to 2017. A software glitch could increase accident risk. GM promises a software update fix. Even the biggest names can stumble on safety. Buckle up, this is going to be a bumpy ride. Dashboard danger, the glitch that's sparking concerns. What's wrong with these GM vehicles? A software error causes inaccurate warning messages. Imagine cruising down the highway and your dashboard lights up, screaming about a high risk of an accident. But the warning might be completely false, or it might fail to appear when there's a genuine problem. A malfunctioning warning system is like a broken smoke detector. This glitch can delay reactions and increase the risk of accidents.
So, which GM vehicles are caught in this recall crossfire? We're talking about a whole bunch of popular models from the Chevrolet, Cadillac, and GMC lineups. Think Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500 pickup trucks, the workhorses of many a driveway. Then there are the Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban SUVs, those behemoths of the road that ferry families and their luggage around. And let's not forget the GMC Yukon and Yukon XL, their slightly more upscale cousins. Even the luxurious Cadillac Escalade, the chariot of choice for many a celebrity, isn't immune to this recall. That's right, folks. From rugged pickups to high-end SUVs, this recall is hitting GM where it hurts, their most popular models. If you own one of these vehicles, particularly from the 2014 to 2017 model years, it's time to pay attention. Check your VIN, contact your dealer, and see if your ride is on the recall list. This isn't the time to be nonchalant. Your safety and the safety of others on the road could be at stake.
Let's be clear. This recall isn't about a minor inconvenience like a squeaky seat or a finicky radio. We're talking about a potentially life-threatening safety hazard. Imagine this. You're driving along, blissfully unaware that your brakes are malfunctioning. The software glitch prevents the dashboard warning light from illuminating, leaving you in the dark about the impending danger. You press down on the brake pedal, expecting it to respond, but instead, it goes soft and mushy. Your car fails to stop in time, and you end up in a collision. Not a scenario anyone wants to find themselves in, right? That's the scary reality of this recall. The faulty software glitch has the potential to mask serious mechanical problems, creating a ticking time bomb on wheels. It's a stark reminder that in the age of increasingly complex vehicles, software bugs can have dangerous, even deadly consequences. This isn't just a matter of inconvenience, it's a matter of life and death. And
Section 5. GM's fixed software update aims to erase the error. So what's GM doing to defuse this ticking time bomb? Their solution comes in the form of a software update. Think of it as a digital patch, a way to iron out the wrinkles in the code and hopefully prevent those erroneous dashboard warnings. The good news is that GM is offering this update free of charge to all affected vehicle owners. No need to shell out extra cash to fix their mistake. They're even making it relatively convenient to get the update. Owners have two options. They can take their vehicle to a dealership where a technician will install the update, or they can opt for an over-the-air update, which can be done wirelessly from the comfort of their own home. Sounds simple enough, right? However, there's always a hint of skepticism when it comes to software updates. Will it truly fix the problem, or will it create new glitches in its wake? Only time will tell if this digital solution is enough to restore confidence in the affected GM vehicles.
Section 6. Staying safe. What should affected GM owners do? If you're one of the nearly 500,000 GM owners staring down the barrel of this recall, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. The first and most crucial step is to confirm whether your vehicle is affected. Check your mailbox for an official recall notice from GM. These notices usually arrive by mail and contain all the essential details, including your vehicle identification number, VN, a description of the safety defect, and instructions on how to proceed. Can't find the notice or want to be extra sure? Head over to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) website. They have a handy VIN lookup tool that'll tell you if your vehicle is part of any active recalls. Once you've confirmed your vehicle is affected, don't delay. Schedule an appointment with your local dealership or explore the over-the-air update option, if available. Remember, this isn't a suggestion, it's a critical safety issue. Ignoring it could have serious consequences. Stay informed, take action, and help keep yourself and others safe on the road.
Section 7. The Digital Dilemma Software's Growing Role in Car Safety. This GM recall shines a spotlight on a growing concern in the automotive industry, the increasing reliance on software and its potential impact on safety. Cars today are more like rolling computers, with lines of code controlling everything from engine performance to braking systems. And just like any software, it's not immune to bugs and glitches. While software can enhance safety features, making our cars smarter and more responsive, it also introduces a new layer of complexity and potential vulnerabilities. A single error in the code can have cascading consequences, as we're seeing with this GM recall. This raises important questions about the rigorousness of software testing in the automotive industry. Are car manufacturers doing enough to ensure the reliability and safety of their software systems? As vehicles become increasingly reliant on digital brains, the need for robust software development, testing, and oversight will only continue to grow. The safety of drivers and passengers depends on it.
Section 8 recalls on the rise a sign of the times in the auto industry. This latest GM recall isn't an isolated incident. In recent years, the automotive industry has witnessed a surge in recalls, often related to complex electronic systems and software issues. From faulty airbags to unintended acceleration, these recalls highlight the challenges of ensuring safety in an era of increasingly sophisticated vehicles. Some argue that the rapid pace of technological advancement in the automotive industry has outpaced safety regulations and oversight. Others point to the complexities of the global supply chain, where components are sourced from multiple manufacturers, increasing the potential for errors and inconsistencies. Whatever the reasons, the rise in recalls is a cause for concern. It erodes consumer trust, damages brand reputations, and most importantly, puts lives at risk. The automotive industry needs to address these issues head-on, prioritizing safety and quality control to regain public confidence and ensure that our roads remain as safe as possible.
Section 9. The high cost of recalls, a financial headache for automakers. Recalls aren't just bad news for car owners, they also pack a hefty financial punch for automakers. The costs associated with recalls can be staggering, often running into hundreds of millions, even billions of dollars. These costs include everything from notifying owners and providing loaner vehicles to fixing the defective parts and, in some cases, settling lawsuits. Take the infamous Takata airbag recall as an example. This massive recall, which affected millions of vehicles worldwide, is estimated to have cost automakers tens of billions of dollars. The financial burden of recalls can impact an automaker's profitability, force them to cut costs in other areas, and even lead to job losses. It's a stark reminder that prioritizing safety isn't just the right thing to do. It's also good business. Investing in rigorous testing, quality control, and timely responses to potential defects can save automakers from the financial fallout of large-scale recalls.
Section 10. Beyond GM, the importance of staying informed about recalls. This GM recall is a wake-up call for all car owners, regardless of the make or model they drive. It underscores the importance of staying informed about recalls and taking swift action when necessary. Don't wait for a recall notice to land in your mailbox or for a warning light to flash on your dashboard. Make it a habit to check for recalls regularly. The NHTSA website is an excellent resource, allowing you to search for recalls by VIN or by make and model. Many automaker websites also have recall information readily available. Remember, recalls are issued for a reason to address safety defects that could put you and others at risk. Ignoring them could have dire consequences. Stay informed, take action, and help ensure that your vehicle is as safe as it can be.
Section 11. Driving into the future. Safety in the age of software-defined cars. As we hurtle towards a future of self-driving cars and increasingly connected vehicles, the importance of software safety cannot be overstated. The GM recall is a stark reminder that even a seemingly minor software glitch can have far-reaching consequences. The automotive industry needs to prioritize the development of robust, secure, and thoroughly tested software systems. Regulators must keep pace with technological advancements, implementing stringent safety standards for software-defined vehicles. And as drivers, we need to remain vigilant, staying informed about recalls and demanding transparency and accountability from automakers. The road ahead may be paved with technological marvels, but safety must remain our constant co-pilot. After all, in the grand scheme of things, arriving safely at our destination is the only metric that truly matters.